In Tally Prime, you can use a debit note voucher to record purchase returns. A debit note voucher is a document used to decrease the amount payable to a supplier due to various reasons, such as damaged goods, incorrect quantity, pricing disputes, etc. Here is how you can create a purchase return using a debit note voucher in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime. Launch Tally Prime and open the company in which you want to record the purchase return. Navigate to Vouchers. From the main menu, go to Vouchers and then select Create under Debit Note. Date and Voucher Reference. Enter the date of the purchase return and a suitable reference if necessary. Party Details. Times in the Party AC name field, select the supplier from whom you are making the purchase return. Times in the Debit field, enter the total amount of the purchase return. Purchase Return Details. Times in the Particulars field, select the appropriate ledger for the purchase return. This is usually an expense account related to purchase returns. Times enter the amount of the purchase return in the Amount field. Add return entries. Times press Ctrl+N or click on Add to start adding the return entries. Times in Billwise Details, you will see columns like reference, due date, original amount, etc. Times enter the reference details for the original purchase transaction, like invoice number and date. Times enter the amount being returned in the original amount column. Times you can add multiple entries if there are multiple invoices for which returns are being made. Accept and save. Once you have added all the return entries, review the voucher to ensure accuracy. Narration, optional. You can provide a brief narration if needed to describe the reason for the purchase return. Accept and save. If everything looks correct, press Ctrl+A or use the Accept button to save the voucher. Print or view. After saving, you can print the debit note voucher or simply view it for your records.